This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together. Just like you, you're just like us, and we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together and be best friends forever.
I'm going to Tony Welch's house after school today. Come on. Tony's friend.
We're here. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, hi, hi. In you go. Shoes off, please, Tim.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good to see you, Tim. You've grown.
Hi, Mrs Welch. Hello, little Jack.
How's Topsy?
She's getting much better, thank you.
Do you want to give me your bag, Tim?
Tim! Tony! You're wearing school uniform. Oh. Your head's different. Yeah. No one wears uniform at Little Compton Primary. You can wear anything you want.
Right, who wants biscuits and juice? Anyone?
Yeah!
There you go. Right, sit down, please. Sit down at the table.
Thank you. After our snacks, we're ready to play. Sofa attack. Oh yeah, sofa attack. Sofa attack! Sofa attack! Sofa attack!
Oh,
Sofa attack!
be careful of Jack, boys. I'll take Jack out for a walk.
Okay. Okay. How about you two play a game that isn't attacking the sofa? How about that?
I know. Let's play hide and seek.
There you
Yeah, like we always do. I'll hide and you count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tony? Hide and seek. Sam's here, Tim! Woo! What's this? Sam goes to my school. We're in the same class. We sit next to each other.
Sam's mum had to go to the shop, so he's come to play too. You can all play together, just not on the sofa. Weren't you playing hide and seek just now?
Yes, Sam, you hide. Sam's the best hider ever.
You'll never find me.
Okay, we can count. 1, 2, 3. Come on! What? I'm coming to find you! But we have to count to 10. We only need to count to 3. Sam's a really fast hider. Okay. Gotcha! Oh, not there. Is he in here? I told you he was good at hiding. Where could it be? Where else?
Told you you couldn't find me.
Can I hide now? Can I hide now?
I'll see you in a bit, Paul.
Bye, see you later.
Bye.
need to do a bit of DIY. Come and give me a hand in the garden, please. Good man. Grab your shoes. This is our new laundry dryer. When this is ready, we'll be able to hang our wet clothes outside so they can dry out here in the sun. Good, isn't it? I'm going to put it in that hole that I've dug just over there.
Oh, yeah. How will it stand up?
That is a good question. I'm going to use concrete. Look, I've got a bag of concrete mix just over here, and I'm going to stand it up in that. So, you're going to help me. Put these gloves on, first of all. There you go. There you go. Right, pick up this watering can. It's quite heavy. Got it?
Oh, yeah.
You go and take it down there. Stand back a second, Tim. I'll pour this out. It's really dusty. Go right back. Let me get into a mess. There you go. Pour a tiny bit, just a bit at a time. I'm going to get something to stir it with. That's it. Good, 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 yeah. A bit more.
I helped Mr Welch make the concrete by adding water to the concrete mix.
Right. Let's swap. I want you to start mixing it for me. There you go. Go on, really swirl it around. Get stuck in. Doing that. I'm going to add a little bit more water. Right, do you want to swap? You do the water, I'll do the stirring again.
Oh, football.
There you go. Go, go, go.
That's it. Pass.
There you go.
Go. Pass.
Do you know what I think we could do with Tim? A little bit of help. What do you think?
Sure. Okay.
Right, you two, Tony, Sam, come over here. You're going to help us stir this concrete.
Tony and Sam join in. We all make the concrete together.
Okay. Sam, get ready to stir. Here it comes. Just a bit more, Tim. That's it. Right, stir, Sam. Go for it. That's really good. Oh, that's really good stirring.
Here, sorry, I can't remember your name.
Oh, it's Tim.
You know Tim.
Oh, please, me.
Good job, Tim.
Oh, bit here. Cool dry.
You're good at this.
Good stirring, guys. Good stirring. Keep going.
Yeah, much easier now.
You know what, guys? I think that the concrete is ready. Okay, so here's what we're going to do next, right? I want you to pick this up for me. Pick this up. This is the laundry dryer. There we go. You get one end, Tim. There you are, Sam. Right, now, take it over there, where I've dug the hole. Walk up onto the decking. Walk right up. That's it. There we go. And we're going to plant it in here. And I want each of you to hold on, nice and tight. There we go.
Hold on, Sam.
Right, now...
We carefully hold the dryer upright. Tony's dad pours the concrete into the container that supports the dryer even more.
Oh, your arms are starting to ache. What about mine?
That's a lot.
Wow.
Oh, look at that.
That's great. Yeah.
Okay, big test coming up now, guys. Let go. Let's see if it stands. We did it! Well done, team! Good work, team. Well done, guys.
Yeah.
Well done, Sam. Good work.
After all of that DIY, I get changed out of my messy school uniform and borrow clean clothes from Tony. Look, I'm in your clothes, Tony.
Right, your uniform is in the wash, Tim. It'll be ready soon.
Why don't we hang his clothes out on the dryer outside?
Not today, I'm afraid, Tony. The concrete's not set hard yet.
Aww.
But that does give me an idea. Come here, put your shoes on. Get your gloves on. Come outside with me. Just put this in there for me, please.
Mr Welch shows us how to draw our faces with sticks in the concrete before it goes hard. Will they really be there forever?
Yeah. When the concrete gets hard, your faces will be fixed solid, which means every time I come in here to hang the washing, I'm going to have you three staring back at me. Right, let's take a picture.
Okay.
Stand next to here, then. So stand next to this. Right. And smile. Good, huh? Check it out.
Cool. It looks amazing.
Good one.
Wow.
Oh, please can you send it to my mummy or dad to show Topsy, please, Mr Welch?
It's a really good idea. Yes, I'll do that right now, Tim. Come on then. Let's go back inside and get some more juice.
We all have something to eat, and then Mr Welch's phone rings.
Can you get my phone? Can you see if you can see where my phone is? I can hear it ring.
Oh, sir. Oh.
Oh, good man. Thanks, Tim. Thank you. Hello.
Hello, Mr Welch. It's Topsy.
Oh, hello, Topsy.
Please, can I speak to Tony?
Yes, I will get Tony for you now. He's just here. Here you go, Tony. It's for you. It's Topsy.
Hi, Topsy. Did you like the photo we sent you?
Yes, it made me smile.
There you go.
And that's when Topsy said, "Please may I come and play at your house next time, Tony?"
Please, can I come and play at your house next time, Tony?
Yes, you can. And you can meet my friend Sam. Oh, Sam's really great fun, Topsy. Hello, Topsy.
What are they doing?
And that, said Tony, Tim and Sam, was that.
We can play